Welcome everyone. Got the original OG He-Man. Did find his shield and his battle axe. He doesn't have the greatest grip in the world on it, but it will stay in there as long as you don't move it around too much. He would pose with it, but he wouldn't. I say you move him too much. Well, okay, not every time. The Power Punch still works with him. I've already replaced his hips, like I do. All of them are I'm gonna have to do that on all of them. The original, I forget what you call this, the chest piece is there. I had long since broken off that piece, so I don't know if it's gonna show up on camera or not. But I just ran some fishing wire around and through the hoop to hold it on. And I may have put it on upside down. Now that I'm looking at it, I can't remember. No, because it would be. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's right. I couldn't remember if the red parts were on the top or bottom there, but I was like, this is one of the originals. His head is pretty wedged in place. I'm not going to twist on it too much. That arm's a little bit loose. I had a tendency to pop them off, put the other characters' arms on just to look different when I was a kid. This one's snug. I say this one's. It's not loose, but it's loose in pieces. Well, like I say, yeah. But, you know, like I say, and this was one of the first ones I bought. I always forget the year on these guys. 81? I think it says 81. I didn't realize it was. I don't know if it'll focus that in or that or not. Yeah, 81. I didn't think he was that old. I thought it was 83. But I guess, I was a kid in elementary school. It didn't matter. I was happy to have some. It was a different scale. I think compared, the Star Wars. And I don't even know if G.I. Joe was out at that point. But the Star Wars figures were my main source of play before them. So it was different. It was sort of cool to have bigger figures, and compared to Star Wars figures, they were more posable. Still, straight arms and straight legs, but they would stand up on their own better. They had that wider stance and the bigger feet to make it easier, and they did a pretty good job standing. But like I say, that's the original He-Man. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. It's gonna keep going for a while yet. We'll see you next time. Bye.